Okay, welcome back. Now we are starting paid traffic. Okay, so we got the overview of who paid traffic is for and why it is so effective. And we're going to go through 3 paid traffic sources that you can tap into and drive traffic to your secret affiliate machine. Okay, now I kind of structured it from the most beginner friendly to the most advanced users. Okay, so the first traffic method, which we will cover in this lecture, is traffic for me. The second one, which will be in the next lecture, is Udemy. And the third one, which will be in the final lecture of this paid traffic section, will be Facebook ads. Okay, so what this means is that this first traffic method, called traffic for me, is hands down the most beginner friendly. So if you don't know anything about driving traffic or haven't done anything of some sort of affiliate marketing with solo ads and driving paid traffic, this traffic method is for you, okay? So what I want you to do is, as in the other lectures, go back to the resources section to the website I gave you access to, and scroll all the way down to step number 5, which is start driving tons of high converting traffic and earn monthly recurring commissions. Okay, that's what we are doing this for. Now, you want to go here and click on start driving traffic with traffic for me. Okay, so you want to click this and it will open the website of traffic for me. Okay, now the website, honestly speaking, it doesn't look really good. Okay, so it's not that appealing, and I know that, but I tell you, I had great results with traffic for me. Now you want to come over here and go to, I just want to buy some traffic now, let me in. Okay, now then you want to put in your first name, your last name, your email. You might put in your mobile phone and create a password for your account, okay? So, and what I want you to know is that traffic for me has an amazing customer service, okay? So even though the website might look a bit, off and not, well structured and appealing, they do have a really good service that I highly recommend you use, especially if you're a beginner, okay? So I'm gonna go and put in my details and create a brand new account, and I'll see you back in a second. Okay, fantastic. Now you see the website saying you've been registered, and you will be directed within 10 seconds to the next page. And if you don't, just please click here. Okay, and now what I want you to really be aware of, okay? You will see this screen with their one-time offer, okay? And they're honest and genuine about saying that this is the only chance to hop onto this one-time offer. So what this one-time offer basically is, they offer you a one-time chance to get a specific amount of clicks to your secret affiliate machine for a great discount, okay? So they have different packages, as I will show you after we gone through the one-time offer. And here are 3 packages you can choose from. And as you can see, for example, the super premium email clicks are the ones that I use, and I have great results with that. And usually these super premium clicks, they are the most premium clicks you can order from them, okay? So they have different sections, and you can start out with just premium email clicks or just general email clicks, but they're usually not as high converting on your secret affiliate machine as the super premium email clicks, okay? Because those are, as I said, the most premium clicks you can purchase from them. And usually these go, I think, for 79 cents per click or 80 cents per click. And they offer you a one-time chance to get 500 for 60 cents a click, okay? Which is just awesome because, if you calculate the numbers, you save yourself $100, I guess. And what I want you to know is, please make use of this offer, okay? And I don't want to push you to, purchase traffic right away. But the cool thing is, if we click on, for example, the super premium email clicks, which I highly recommend, and you want to click on that, okay? And there's this intro video of the founder explaining how traffic for me works. and I highly recommend you watch that, okay? And it's a really nice introduction to Traffic for Me, but I've already seen it. So once you watch that video, you want to X this out. And as you can see, they have the offer that I just clicked with the super premium email clicks. They have it in place, okay, for 60 cents per click, which is $300 for 500 super premium email clicks. And usually this goes for $395, I guess, so $95 saved. And the good thing is you don't need to order right away, okay? All we did by clicking on it is saved you that deal, okay? I think you have 1 week time in order to come back to that campaign, which is now created in your account because you clicked on that one-time offer, and you have 1 week time to finish everything and pay for it and set everything up, okay? So you basically locked in the 60 cents per click, which I highly recommend you do. Otherwise, you will be paying the full price, okay? So now, you see the payment options. You can pay with PayPal, with credit card, and bank transfer, okay? And but if you don't want to do that and don't want to pay right away, which I understand, you can always go here to My Campaigns and go to Pending and maybe open that in a new tab, okay? And we're going to switch to that new tab. At times the Traffic for Me website is kind of slow, which is okay. You want to X this out. And as you can see in Pending Campaigns, they already imported that one-time offer for 500 clicks at 60 cents per click, okay? And it says unpaid, okay? But the cool thing is, as I said, they keep this pending campaign for a week in your account, and you can come back anytime, go to my campaigns and click on pending, okay? And then continue with the payment process and everything. But you locked yourself in that one-time deal, which I highly recommend you do. So you can close this window, okay, anytime, and go to your dashboard, and you will always find this one-time offer in your pending campaigns for about a week or so, okay? Now, why is Traffic for Me the most beginner-friendly traffic source, okay? So first of all, we kind of covered what solo ads are. I don't want to repeat myself here, but Traffic for Me is an agency, okay? So they have hundreds of people in the online marketing and business opportunity, make money online niche that work together with Traffic for Me. Hundreds of people, okay? So, and Traffic for Me knows every single one of their email list owners, okay? Personally, they know what kind of offers convert with each and every email list. So the cool thing is, in contrast to other solo ad vendors and providers, is that with Traffic for Me, you just have to provide them with the link you want to send traffic to, which in our case is the secret affiliate machine, okay? And they go and look at your offer, and then their team decides and pulls the data in and chooses which list of their hundreds of vendors they work with will convert the most with your specific offer, okay? So you don't have to choose a specific list, okay? So they look at your offer and they choose it for you because they have a lot of experience of what works and what doesn't. Plus, the cool thing is that you don't even have to write your own email that will be sent out to the list of the owner who will promote your offer for you, okay? So sometimes with solo ads, when you find a list of someone else and you are like, hey, I want to tap into that, send me 500 clicks, the solo ad vendor will ask you, okay, I need the link and I need the email copy. I need the actual email with the headline that I will be sending out to my list. So you don't need to do that with Traffic for Me because they optimize, they create an email copy for you that optimizes conversions on your offer, okay? Which is just absolutely amazing because these guys know what they do, okay? Now, one quick thing, if you do decide to order traffic, okay? You want to go back and when it, after the payment, Traffic for Me will ask you, hey, where do you want your traffic to go? Okay. Now, what you want to do, since we created a ClickMagick account, right? You want to go back to your ClickMagick account. Hopefully we're still logged in. No. Oh yeah, awesome funnel stats. Yeah, here we are. You want to go to your links, okay? And we created this traffic for me link, right? Which basically, we only use this link for the first traffic for me campaign, in our case, that we create, okay? So if you want to go ahead at any point in time and, you know, go and submit that order for that one-time offer, what you want to do is go to this traffic for me link and copy this tracking link. Since we set this up in the previous lecture, this tracking link will forward or direct people to your final first page of your secret affiliate machine, which we pulled out of ClickFunnels, right? Which was this opt-in page right here. Oh, I need to sign in again, okay? Okay, we're back at it. Okay, so you want to go to your ClickFunnels, you have your secret affiliate machine, and you remember we took the opt-in page, the very first page of your funnel where people can put in their email. We copied this link back in the previous lecture and created a ClickMagick link where the primary URL was this link from ClickFunnels, and we created a tracking link. So we know how many clicks does traffic for me actually sends us to our offer and how many people do convert on and continue to the second step. We created a custom tracking pixel. Okay, so if you want to create that order with traffic for me to get to the point here, copy this tracking link, okay? And give traffic for me this tracking link, okay? So if you pay, they ask you for the link, you give them the one from ClickMagick, okay? Sounds good? Awesome. Now, before we end this lecture, I want to share some of my results with this, okay, with traffic for me. Now, I ordered this one-time offer with 500 clicks, the very same offer that we just clicked on with our brand new Traffic for Me account, okay? And for me, this worked out amazing. Now, Traffic for Me sent me 500 clicks just as promised. I think they even sent me 530, so 30 free clicks. And I got over 220 people opting in and moving on to the second step of the secret affiliate machine. And now within my ClickFunnels, my Actionetics, which we set up in the first, in a couple of previous lectures, you remember that, where we set up the autoresponder sequence of emailing and following up with the people who opted in on the first page. Now I got 220 people more on that list, which is just amazing, okay? And then out of those 220 people, actually 27 people decided to create a new ClickFunnels account, okay? So right now I'm at 27 new ClickFunnels accounts only with this one campaign, which is just insane. If you calculate the numbers and say that out of those 27 people who go through the trial right now, you know, 20 people will stick because the stick rate is really high with ClickFunnels. 20 people, 20 times 40 a month is $800 a month, which I basically got back on my initial $300 investment with this campaign, okay? And it's monthly. It's $800 monthly, which is just flat out insanely good return on investment. So if you're just starting out, I highly urge you to do and drive traffic with Traffic for Me, because this is really a high quality traffic source, which I couldn't find anywhere else, okay? Now, but that's it basically for Traffic for Me. If you need any more help in setting up your campaign and have questions about, you know, which list to choose, or, you know, you're confused about the tracking links, anything like that, please post that in the Q&A section or in the Facebook group, right? You can join the Facebook group by going to the resources section and scrolling all the way down to the final step and click here to join our exclusive Facebook group, okay? Now, I hope that this helped you out, and I would continue in the next lecture with another solo ad vendor that is a little bit more advanced, okay? So Traffic for Me is for beginners, and if you feel confident and you tried it out or you're advanced already, you might be interested in the next one. Okay, so I see you there.